Hey friends, if you wish to charge your phone in sleep mode with the laptop lid closed, then please watch this video. I will help you with the same. Now, what does it mean? So here's the thing. If you wish to charge your phone through a USB cord, you know that you can connect your USB cable to the laptop and to your phone and charge your phone by this method. So you can charge it, but people say that you have to keep your laptop open in that case. But if you do not touch your laptop, let's say that you just want to keep your phone on charging for a few hours, but you don't want to touch your laptop, then it will eventually get into the sleep mode. And the laptop may also be closed. I mean, the lid may also be closed, but the laptop would be on. But the charging will stop. So how do you prevent this? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and click on device manager. Then expand universal serial bus controllers. Right click on the USB root hub. Select properties. Click on power management. Uncheck this box called allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK and do it for all of these root hubs because you don't know which one you're connected to. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.